ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः।
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः।
कारके
कारके
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
मित्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
पराजेरसोढः
पराजयरसोढः
वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः
वारणार्थानामीप्सितः
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्धो येन दर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः
भुवः प्रभवः
कर्मणा यमभिप्रैति ससम्प्रदानम्
कर्मणायमभिप्रैते ससम्प्रदानम्
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
इत्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
श्लाघन्नुंस्था शापां ईप्स्यमानः
श्लाघ्नुंस्थाशपामीप्स्यमानः
दारेरुत्तमर्णः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
स्पृहेरेप्सितः
क्रुधदुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुद्धदुर्हेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधदृहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म
क्रुधद्रुहोपसृष्टयो कर्म
पूर्वसूत्र तस्य सूत्रस्य कः भेदः? क्रुधदृहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म उपसर्ग उपसृष्टः उपसर्गः इत्यर्थः। उपसर्ग सर्गिक कृत धातु तथा दृग् धातु धातोः प्रयोगे प्रयोग किं भवति? यं प्रति कोपः अस्ति तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा भवति. Right? We saw in the last class. I think this was the last sutram, right?
Yes.
Have you seen Radhi?
Yeah,
We have to
Radhi
see.
also we saw.
Okay.
Hmm?
Radhi kshoryasya viprashnah.
Radhikshyo
Yes,
yasya prashnah.
Have you seen this? Viprashnah is vividaha prashnah. I think we did. Radha dhatu and iksh dhatu, two dhatus. Iksh darshane. So viprashnah vividaha prashnah kriyate. Yasya vishaye. That is, we'll take the sanya sampradana sanya. I think we did, no? Viprashnah. Yes or no?
I think
Okay.
we have to see.
We have to see. Okay. No
Yeah.
We
problem.
ask questions from in astrology.
Yes, that's what it is.
Devadattaya radhyati ikshate gargaha. The
Hmm.
example was given.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
no
have
problem.
seen. Yeah, we have seen.
The table, of course, table all we have seen. Anyway, we'll see from website quickly. Radha tata ikshdat etayoho dhatoho विषये यस्य विषये शुभाशुभस्य प्रश्नाः क्रियन्ते तत् सम्प्रदायसंज्ञं भवति. यथा देवदत्ताय राध्यति देवदत्ताय ईक्षते देवदत्ताय राध्यति देवदत्ताय ईक्षते इति. कारके इत्यस्मिन् अधिकारे यैः दशभिः सूत्रैः सम्प्रदानसंज्ञायाः विधानं क्रियते तेषु इदं सप्तमं सूत्रम्. Seventh sutra. Then anena sutrein rad dhatu. Fourth conjugation radhyate. Ta iksh darshane ityetayoho sandarbhe sampradana sanya diyate. Etayoho dvayoho dhatvaho prayogaha yada daiva paryalochanam. Anyway, I think we did. No
Yeah,
problem. No problem.
yes, yeah.
It's okay. We'll do. So daiva paryalochanam. Daiva paryalochanam means it is about one. Daiva is adrishta. I mean, fortune discussion. भविष्यस्य सन्दर्भे शुभाशुभस्य कथनम्. अस्मिन् अर्थे क्रियते तदा यस्य शुभाशुभं कथ्यते तस्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण सम्प्रदानसंज्ञा. About whom this दैवपर्यालोचन भविष्यस्य कथनं क्रियते तस्य सम्प्रदानसंज्ञा. अतः गर्गः देवदत्ताय राध्यति. Meaning गर्गः देवदत्ताय राध्यति is the राध्यति or राध्यति. Okay, परस्मै धातु ईक्षते इत्युक्ते गर्गः इत्याख्यः कश्चन ज्योतिषिकः देवदत्तस्य भविष्यस्य विषये दृष्टे सति देवदत्तस्य जन्मपत्रादिकं दृष्ट्वा तस्य भविष्यस्य विषये किञ्चित् कथयति. That is the meaning. Rad and iksh dhatu. Rad meaning to examine. That meaning is iksh also means him to look, to examine. So भविष्यस्य विषये देवदत्तस्य भविष्यस्य विषये प्रश्ने कृते सति गर्गः कथयति. यस्य विषये तस्य सम्प्रदानसंज्ञा. यस्य विप्रश्नः इत्यस्य अर्थः प्रकृतसूत्रे यस्य विप्रश्नः राज्ञोक्षोः यस्य विप्रश्नः इति शब्दः प्रयुक्तः अस्ति. विद्यमानस्य प्रश्नः इति शब्दस्य विविधः प्रश्नः डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन्स इति दीयते. यस्य विप्रश्नः यस्य विषये विविधाः प्रश्नाः पृच्छन्ते. तस्य संप्रदानसंज्ञा। एते प्रश्नाः भविष्यकथनस्य सन्दर्भे भवेयुः इति व्याख्यानात् स्पष्टी भवति। एतादृशाः प्रश्नाः यस्य विषये पृच्छ्यन्ते तस्य संप्रदानसंज्ञा। About whom the questions are asked, that person will take संप्रदानसंज्ञा, and dhatu, when these dhatus are used, राध ईक्ष धातोः अर्थः कः? यद्यपि प्रकृतसूत्रे यद्यपि विप्रश्नः इति शब्दः प्रयुक्तः अस्ति, तथापि अत्र विशेषम् अयं यत् स्पेसिफिक थिंग इज राध धातु ईक्ष धातु इति एतयोः धातोः अर्थः भविष्यस्य विषये प्रश्नविधानम् इति नास्ति, अपि तु प्रश्ने पृष्टे सति भविष्यस्य विषये कथमिति अनयोः अर्थः वर्तते। इत्युक्ते अत्र विप्रश्नः इति राध्यति ईक्षते इत्यस्य प्रथमसोपानः अस्ति। देवदत्तस्य भविष्यस्य शुभाशुभस्य विषये यदा ज्योतिषकम् उद्दिश्य प्रश्नाः क्रियन्ते तस्य सः ज्योतिषिकः तेषां प्रश्नानाम् उत्तरार्थं देवदत्तस्य शुभाशुभस्य यत् पर्यालोचनं करोति सा कृतिः राध्यति ईक्षति इति शब्दाभ्यां निर्दिश्यते। विप्रश्नः प्रथमसोपानः, फर्स्ट स्टेप विप्रश्नः, तेषाम् उत्तरार्थं देवदत्तस्य शुभाशुभस्य विषये कथनं, दट इज राध्यति आरीक्षते। फर्स्ट इज विप्रश्नः इति। When questions are asked, विषये कथनं, that in that meaning this dhatu first प्रथम सोपानः वर्तते विप्रश्नः। विविधाः प्रश्नाः क्रियन्ते with regard to whom, then कथनं भविष्यविषये तस्य देवदत्तस्य भविष्यविषये कथनं, then राध्यति ईक्षते, by the shabda it is indicated। अस्यां स्थितौ यस्य विषये प्रश्नः कृताः इत्युक्ते यस्य विषये शुभाशुभस्य पर्यालोचनं कृतं तस्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण संप्रदानसंज्ञा। राध धातु ईक्ष धातु, both these dhatus are akarmakau तः। देवदत्तस्य भविष्यं राध्यति शुभाशुभम् ईक्षते is असाधु प्रयोगः। Therefore राध ईक्ष एतयोः धातोः अर्थे शुभाशुभ पर्यालोचनं गर्भितम् अस्ति। तथा च एतयोः यस्य विषये शुभाशुभस्य पर्यालोचनं क्रियते तस्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण संप्रदानसंज्ञा भवति। तो देवदत्तस्य भविष्यं राध्यति, षष्ठी विभक्ति। देवदत्तस्य शुभाशुभम् ईक्षते इत्यादि वाक्यानि अशुद्धानि सन्ति। बिकॉज राध धातु ईक्ष धातु धातोः अर्थे एव शुभाशुभ पर्यालोचनं गर्भितम् अस्ति। Therefore when these dhatus are used, since this is akarmaka dhatu, it cannot take karma, and this meaning is daiva paryalochanam is there, is embedded in the very dhatu itself. So therefore we cannot use, therefore devadattasya by shashti sheshe we cannot use, and shubha shubham also dvitiya bhakti not possible. Devadattasya by this sutra, Devadatta, if the sutra is a, therefore the Shashti Bhakti also, Shesha Shashti we cannot use. Gargaha Devadattaya Ikshate. Gargaha Devadattaya Radhyati only is sadhu prayoga. Shashti Shesha by the Devadattasi we can use. Then this sutra, then the sutra what will happen? That is why Shashti Shesha cannot be here. Or I think we can use Devadattasya. Gargaha Devadattasya Radyati, because it's Kartuka Vivaksha. So here I think he is saying about only for Shubha Shubha. It cannot take karma. For that only this example is given. If you don't want to assign Devadatta Sampradana Sanya, therefore Shashti Shesha we can use. Why I'm saying it's because many places such usages are given. Not this, Radyati Arikshate, some other dhatus. Shashti Bhakti can be used when you don't want to express to any Karaka. Shashti Bhakti is always available. Okay. So I think here Devadatta is not an issue. Bhavishyam is the issue. Bhavishyam and Shubha Shubham. This Akarmaka dhatu taking karma is Ashuddha. The Rad dhatu, Iksh dhatu, when these two have this meaning, Deva Paryalochanam, when this is used, then about whom Vidaha Prashna Kriyante, Tasya Sampradana Sanya Bhavati. So that is the meaning. And he has given very clearly these two dhatus, Radyati Ikshate, Tasya Pratamas Sopanaha Viprashnaha. Then when it is asked, then Deva Paryalochanam Karoti Yasya, Devadattasya Shubhashuvasya Vishaye. Then this dhatu, Radyati Ikshate, is used. Tebhyam, Shabdabhyam, Tabhyam, Shabdabhyam, Sakriti, Radyati Ikshate iti Shabdabhyam Nirdishyate. So Pratama Sopanaha is Viprashnaha, Dvitiya Sopanaha Katanam, Yasya Vishaye Katanam, Sakriti, that action. Sakriti, Sakriya, Radyati Ikshate iti Shabdabhyam Nirdishyate. So Dhatu has got like Kopa and Krodha. Krodha visa. Kopaha, Pratama Sopanaha, Sharira Dwara, Abhivanjanam is Krodha, Drugdha to all those visas. Similarly, here also Pratama Sopanaha, Viprashnaha, and that expresses the form of Katanam, telling. Katanam. Pratama Sopanaha, Viprashnaha, then Dvitiya Sopanaha, otherwise, the second one, or otherwise it is, that meaning is Pratama Sopanaha, then Katanam, with regard to the questions asked, the reply which is given, with regard to the Shubha Shubha of Devadatta, that Katanam, that Artha is there for this verse, Radyati and Ikshate. Tabhyam Shabdabhyam Nirdishyate. So Viprashnaha, see, questions can be asked. Is there necessity to reply? If it is not replied, then we cannot use. That is why he is saying Pratama Sopanaha. Then second one is Katanam. So therefore it is, we can use this Sampradana Karaka. Okay. So the next one. At 40. Pratyangyam Shvah Purvasya Karta.
Pratyam Vyam
Shvasya Karta.
Purvasya Karta.
So Prati Ang Purvaka, then Shrudhatu. Shrudhatu. Actually it is Shrudhatu. Shru become Shru. Okay. Prati Ang Purvaka Shrudhatu. Prati Ang Vyam Pastargabhyam Shruvaha. That is Shrudhatu. Purvasya Karta. Purvasya Karta is Prati and Ang Purvaka Shrudhatu as a meaning of Prati Ang Purvaka. आश आश्रणो आशृणोति, यस, प्रति शृणोति, प्रति पूर्वक अंग पूर्वक, सो दे आर उपसर्ग, नॉट कर्म प्रवचनीय, इट इज उपसर्ग. Karma pravachaniyas are not upasarga. Karma pravachaniya, the word is there, but these are with the dhatu. So therefore upasarga. Prati upasarga, non upasarga. Upasarga purvaka, shrudhatoha purvasya karta. Purvasya ityukte kim? Purvasya karta, karta is the one who does karoti iti karta. Trich karoti iti karta. Tasya sampradana sanya bhavati. Purvasya means to whom these Shrudhatu Ashrunoti has got the meaning of declaring, promising, to whom it is done, to whom it is given. The declaration is done. Tasya Sampradana Sanya Bhavati. I think that's what given in the table. You can see. Pratish Purvaka Shrudhatu Tata Cha Ang Purvaka Shrudhatu. Itetayogo Prayoge Yasmai Vachanam Diyate. That is, words are given. Yasmai Vachanam Diyate. That meaning is there for this dhatu. Shrudhatu, when it has upasarga, prati and ang. Tasya tatkarakam sampradana sanyam bhavati. Yatha devadattaya gam prati shrunoti. Devadattaya gam ashrunoti. Means what? Someone, saha yajnadatta, for example. Yajnadatta devadattaya gam prati shrunoti. Yajnadatta
Pledges.
pledges, promises. Devadatta gam, a cow. To whom this vachanam is, Yajnadatta says, I will give a cow to you, to Devadatta. So, Yasmai vachanam diyate, tasya sampradana sanya. Then, कारके इत्यस्मिन् अधिकारे के दशभिः सूत्रे की संप्रदान संज्ञायाः विधानं क्रियते, तेषु इदम् अष्टमं सूत्रम्. प्रतिपूर्व उपसर्ग पूर्वकात् श्रुधातोः प्रयोगे तथा च आपूर्वकात् श्रुधातोः प्रयोगे संप्रदान संज्ञायाः विधानं क्रियते. यद्यपि श्रवणे इत्यर्थः श्रवणमिति वर्तते, बट उपसर्ग the meaning changes. प्रतिपश्रु एवमेव आङ्क्लश्रु इति एतयोः अर्थः प्रतिज्ञानं, declaration, वचन प्रदानं, giving words. So you say declaration, promise, प्रतिज्ञानम् इत्यर्थः, वचन प्रदानम् इति भवति. अस्मिन् सन्दर्भे यस्य कृते प्रतिज्ञा क्रियते, यम् उद्दिश्य अभ्युपगमः इति क्रियते, अभ्युपगमः is given, वचनं दीयते. यम् उद्दिश्य, यस्य कृते, तस्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण संप्रदान संज्ञा. To whom the words or declaration is made, given, that will take संप्रदान संज्ञा. ता यज्ञदत्तः देवदत्ताय गां प्रति शृणोति, यज्ञदत्तः देवदत्ताय गां आशृणोति. देवदत्तेन मह्यं गां देहि इति पृष्टे सति यज्ञदत्तः देवदत्तम् उद्दिश्य तुभ्यम् अहम् एकां गाम् अवश्यं दास्यामि इति प्रतिज्ञां करोति, वचनं ददाति. अनयोः वाक्ययोः आशयः वर्तते. एवमेव विप्राय गां प्रति शृणोति, विप्राय गाम् आशृणोति इत्येतौ प्रयोगौ अपि संगच्छेते. Devadatta has, then Yajnadatta gives the vachanam, I'll give you a cow. So therefore Devadatta, who asked for a cow from Yajnadatta, Devadatta will enjoy the sanya sampradana. Purvasya karta. Purvasya karta means he is the one who asked. That is why Purvasya is there. And Yajnadatta is one who gives. पूर्वस्य कर्ता इत्यस्य अर्थः कः? अत्र पूर्वस्य इत्यस्य पूर्वक्रियायाः प्रथमक्रियायाः इति अस्ति. आदौ देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्तं मह्यं गां देहि इति यत् प्रार्थ्यते, सा अत्र पूर्वक्रिया. दट् इस् पूर्वक्रिया, गिव् मी ए कौ इति प्रथमक्रिया, पूर्वक्रिया. अस्याः क्रियायाः प्रतिक्रियारूपेण अनन्तरं यज्ञदत्तः देवदत्तम् अहं तुभ्यं गां दास्यामि इति प्रतिजानाति. He makes a declaration, gives a pledges, promises. सा अत्र परक्रिया अथवा द्वितीया क्रिया अस्ति. एताभ्यां प्रतिशृणोति आशृणोति इति एतयोः प्रयोगः द्वितीयायाः क्रियायाः सन्दर्भेन भवति. तथा च तस्मिन् प्रयोगे प्रथमायाः क्रियायाः यः कर्ता पूर्वस्य कर्ता तस्य संप्रदानसंज्ञा भवति. सो पूर्वस्य पूर्वकर्तुः पूर्वस्य कर्तुः संप्रदानसंज्ञा भवति. यथा मह्यं गां देहि इति वाक्यस्य कर्ता इत्युक्ते देवदत्तः द्वितीयायाः क्रियायाः कृते यज्ञदत्तः प्रतिशृणोति आशृणोति इति अस्य कृते संप्रदानसंज्ञा. द्वितीया क्रियायाः कर्ता यज्ञदत्तः, प्रथमायाः क्रियायाः कर्ता देवदत्तः, तस्य संप्रदान संज्ञा भवति. यस्मै वचनं यज्ञदत्तेन दीयते. यज्ञदत्तेन वचन प्रदानम् इस् द्वितीया क्रिया. देवदत्तस्य प्रार्थना प्रथमा क्रिया. Therefore देवदत्ता will take संप्रदान संज्ञा. This is something very peculiar. Prati Purvaka Ang Shuddha to take having this meaning of Pratijanati. अतः एव देवदत्ताय प्रतिशृणोति यज्ञदत्ताय आशृणोति इति प्रयोगौ संगच्छेते. All these the meanings of the dhatu with this upasarga can be known only from the usage. Or upasarga chandrika we have to see. But all these are how the meaning change. Shru means to listen. That becomes pratigyanam vachana pradhanam. Okay, then Suchana. Siddhanta Kaumudyayam Purvakriyayaha krate pravartana rupa vyaparaha iti prayujyate. Yaha vyaparaha anyam kriyam pravartayati saha pravartana rupa vyaparaha namna nirdishyate. देवदत्तेन गोः विषये पृष्टे सति एव यज्ञदत्तः देवदत्तं प्रतिजानाति. तस्मात् पूर्वं न. अतः अत्र देवदत्तेन कृता पृच्छा इति प्रतिशृणोति आशृणोति इत्यस्य प्रवर्तनरूपव्यापारः अस्ति इति अत्र कौमुदीकारस्य शब्दस्य आशयः वर्तते. सिद्धान्तकौमुदीकार uses the word पूर्व प्रवर्तन रूप व्यापारः इति शब्दः पूर्वक्रियायाः कृते. पूर्वक्रिया प्रथमक्रिया asking for a cow, प्रथमक्रिया. With regard to that he uses the word इति शब्दः प्रयुज्यते. प्रवर्तन रूप व्यापारः. यः व्यापारः अन्यां क्रियां प्रभवति. That व्यापार which initiates other action, asking, and therefore there is subsequent action giving. That is called yaha vyaparaha anyam kriyam pravartayati. Pravartayati causative. Vartate pravartayati. Saha pravartana rupa vyaparaha. Devadattena prishtaha मह्यं गां देहि इति. That is pravartana vyaparaha. Pravartana rupa vyaparaha. देवदत्तेन गोः विषये पृष्टे सति एव यज्ञदत्तः देवदत्तं प्रतिजानाति. तस्मात् पूर्वं न. Therefore देवदत्तेन कृता पृच्छा, the kriya prachana kriya is done by Devadatta which precedes, and therefore Yajnadatta gives a vachanam pratishrunoti. He gives vachana pradhanam karoti. Then only this pravartana rupa vyaparaha asti, otherwise no. If somebody without asking giving, then that will the one who is receives, that gets sampradana sanya by the sutra, Pat sutra. Without asking it is given. That gets sampradana sanya by karmana yam avipraiti sasampradanam. But here asking is there. And also there also is, you can say, why not? There also somebody asks and therefore he give. But here the very specific thing is the dhatu, shru dhatu, pratipurvaka shru dhatu, ang purvaka shru dhatu. That by this sutra gets sanya sampradana. Okay. What is the difference between this sutra and karmana yam avipraiti sasampradanam? There also sampradhanam, the one to whom it is given. Here also again Devadatta is given. But here it is prativachanam is given. Declaration is given. So therefore that is one thing. Another thing is, see, karmana yam abhipraiti. Here prativachanam is given. It's not, but it gives or not, that is not clear, number one. Number two, this very specific for the dhatu, shru dhatu, pratipurvaka shru dhatu, and or ang purvaka shru dhatu. So then it has to take sampradana sanya. This pravartana rupa vyapara, this condition is not there for the previous sutra. Karmana yam aviprati sampradana. The vyapara initiates another vyapara. First is asking, second one is giving. Asking is not mandatory for karmana yam abhiprati sampradana. But here it is important. Then only there is a prativachana dana kriya. So that's the difference between these two sutras. Siddhanta Kaumadikara. Abhyam parasya. Abhyam is the prati ang purva upasarga abhyam parasya. Shrunotehe tarishu dhatu yoge prayoge purvasya pravartana rupa vyaparasya. Purva pravartana vyaparaha, which initiates anyam kriyam pravartayati. That's what we saw. Tasya purvasya kartuhu sampradana. Purvasya karta. Kartuhu sampradana sagyam bhavati. Karta sampradana sagyam syat. Kashika. Prang iti ang iti evam purvasya shrunotehe karakam sampradana sagyam. Kidrisham purvasya karta. Prati purva ang purvasya shrunotehe abhyupagame pratignyane vartate. Pratignyane vartate. The meaning of the dhatu. Pratipurvaka ang purvaka. Pratiyar ang purvaka shuddhatu. Pratignyane abhyupagame. Abhyupagamam means giving the words. Vachana pradhanam. Sacha abhyupagamaha parena prayuktasya sataha bhavati. Tatra prayukta purvasyaha kriyayaha sampradana singyaha bhavati. Sahacha abhyupagamaha parena prayuktasya bhavati. That is, it is this prativachana kriya is the second action. Sacha abhyupagamaha parena prayuktasya sataha bhavati. Sataha is Shashti Bhakti, son. So Purva Kriya is asking. Therefore, Purva Kriya yaha karta. Tasya sampradana sanya. Abhyupagamaha visa. Abhyupagamaha is abhyupagame. Vachana pradhanam. Abhyupagamaha. Parena prayuktaha sataha bhavati. It is after. So therefore, Purvasya karta sampradana sanya bhavati. परेण इस् परक्रिया, द्वितीया क्रिया इति। परेण प्रयुक्तः भवति। Okay, this is about this dhatu. Yam uddishya abhyupagama vachanam, vachana pradhanam diyate. That's what Kashikakara says, abhyupagamaha. Yam uddishya abhyupagamaha vachanam diyate. Tasya prakata sutrena sampradhana sacha abhyupagamaha parena prayuktasya bhavati. The vachanam is given, that happens, it's a dvitiya kriya. Parena prayuktaha sataha bhavati.
Kshamyatam ji, this is only for Prati and Ang Upasarga should be there and Shru Dhatu should be there. Not everywhere, no? This sutra is
Only
used.
specific combination, Shru dhatu with Prati upasarga, Rang upasarga.
Okay.
And also it is only prativachanam. It doesn't say the action is done or not. That also, number one, not clear.
Promising should be then.
Yeah. But this pravartana vyapara is a condition here. That pravartana rupa vyapara is a condition here. It is not the condition in the case of karmanaya navipratisya sampadana.
Okay. ji.
Only when it is asked, it is given. Prashne prishte sati eva Vishaye prishte, goha vishaye prishte sati eva, then vachana pradhanam diyate. Otherwise, no. So therefore, pravatana rupa vyapara, that condition is important. What is pravatana rupa vyapara? That vyapara which initiates another action. Asking initiates the action of giving. But here, not giving also, it promises. Gives or not, it is different. So pravatana rupa vyapara is a must. That condition is not there for karmana yambi priti sasampradhanam. Okay. This is and specific for this Shudhatu with Pratyarang Upasarga. What is given the table? And the Dhatu Shru with Pratyarang, meaning to promise or to pledge, Prativachanam, is used. The person to whom the promise is made is Sampradhanam.
We had a doubt in the third example when we were
Third.
doing.
I think she asked that, I think last class. Pratishushrawa. Here I removed that word. What is that word? Something was there. That is Tebhyaha, to whom Kakustaha is the name of the person. A pratigya, that is Vachana Pradhanam. Promise is made. So that will take the Sanya Sampradhana. Kakusta promised them. That is enough. Because the context is not known, some
This
thing was there. Removed that.
Vigna Pratikriyam.
What is that?
Vigna Pratikriyam. Remove all obstacles. That you removed.
Oh, okay.
The Shushrava, what lakara that qualifies?
Later, no?
Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Lit Lakara. Shushrava is
Qualifying?
no, it is Kakustaha is not it's Prathama Purusha, right? Kakustaha Prathama Purusha. So Shrudhatu Litlakara Rupam. Did you check the Shrudhatu Litlakara Rupam? Litlakara is complicated, we have not seen. Shushru,
Litlakara only. Shushrava.
yeah. Of course, Shushrava is Litlakara only. Do check the form. Okay. Anyway, we'll see the form. It is Pratham Purusha, see, Ekavachanam. Given.
Prathama Purusha.
It is not Uttama Purusha. It's a doubt.
Yeah, but it
Null
is
comes.
one optional form is there, Jane. Uttama Purusha. Shrudhato, Shushrava and Shushrava, both are there in website is given.
Two forms are given.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check. No. You can see. Okay, I tell you why it is. Here you can see Pratham Purusha, Shushrava only. We are seeing this.
Yeah,
What about the Prathama Purusha?
it is there in Prathama Purusha also.
Prathama Purusha only. Because kakustaha. Nallatus, tallatusta, then also, then nal va pratyaya is same here for both.
Right.
Prathama Purusha as well as Uttama Purusha, pratyaya is same. Okay, here optional form is that there may be some specific rule for this. Now, this is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Okay.
So, kakustaha is there. It is, dhatu is shru dhatu plus null. Litlakara, then shru, it will happen. Shru plus null. Then aladi sheshaha, etc. The shakara plus repa plus, then pratama al will remain, therefore you have shru. Then shru, null, nit pratyaya, therefore shru will become shrav. Shrav plus a. Then ayadi sandhi, shru. Shrav becomes shrav.
Shrav.
Shrava, Shrava. Then what is the upasarga here? Prati. Prati Shushrava. I think that's what is here, right?
Got it.
Yes.
Prati Shushrava. So Kakustaha promised them. This is some literature example. Right? Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Anuprati Granascha.
Anuprati
Pratigranascha.
The dhatu is Gru dhatu. Which conjugation? Sixth conjugation. Girati, girataha, giranti. In fact, from this dhatu only we have the shabda gir also. Gi, girau, giraha, giram, girau, giraha. So dhatu with the upasarga anup or prati. Again here also the upasarga, not karma pravachaniya. Right? So anuprati granascha. So prati granati, the word comes in Taittiriya also, yes. Anugranati. So dhatu gru, having the upasarga anu and prati. Then in the sense of purvasya karta also coming as anuvritti. So anuprati granascha purvasya karta, then what is the meaning? So gru dhatu, you have seen the table, it is there, but anyway, here we'll see. Anu or prati purvaka gru dhatu. It is sixth conjugation. Gru dhatu, all rutahai dhatu will apply, then girati, girataha, giranti, etc. we saw. Okay, iti etayoho prayoho yaha adu shamsati. Yaha ado shamsati tat karakam sampradana संज्ञम भवति यथा होत्रे अनुगृणाति होत्रे प्रतिगृणाति yam ado, the one who yaha shamsati, one in the beginning prices, the one who prices in the beginning will get the sanya sampradana. Not so important in this sutra. Anyway, just for the sake of completion, we will read. So this sutra, Karake Jasmyadhikarahi, Yehi Dashabhigi Sutragi, Sapradana, Sanyaya Hovidanam Kriya, Teshu Idam Navaman Sutram. Anupasarga Purvakat, Guru Dhatoho, Prayoge Tata Prati Upasargat, Guru Dhatoho, Prayoge Prakata Sutrena, Sampradana Sanya. Yadyapi Guru is Shabda. That is why we get from this dhatu Guru plus Kvip Pratyaya. You get a Pradipadikam Gir. Giram Asmi Aksharaha, Omkarosmi, comes in Gita also. Ekaksharam, Giram Asmi, Ekaksharam, the Gru Dhatu. Shabde, the meaning of Shabdas, sound. Ityasya, Shabdam Karoti iti vartate. It has the meaning of Shabdam Karoti, produces sound. Tata Anupurvaka Gru Dhatu, evam, eva, iti. Then Prati plus Gru, Anu plus Gru, iti etayoh artaha, Shamsitaram protsahayati. Samshitaram uttejayati iti bhavati. In this upasarga, it has a meaning. Samshitaram means trich pratyaya. Samshita, samshitaro, samshitaraha. Samshitaram, that is Dvitiya Bhakti. Protsahayati, uttejayati. Protsahayati means encouraging, right? Utsaha. Shena, utsaha. Utsahayati. Utsaham karoti. Causative. Utsahayati. Uttejayati. Samshitra is the one who praises. That's what he says. Yaha adav purvakarta. Yaha adav shamsati. In that meaning, samshita pratipadikam samshitra iti yukte yajna karmani, only in the ritual. Veda mantrehi yaha devadattanam stutim karosi saha. With regard to yajna karmani vishesh saptami. By the Veda mantras, Veda mantrehi yaha devatanam sorry. I said devatanam stutim karoti. By mantra, with regard to yajna karma, by Veda mantra, yaha devatanam stutim karoti saha. The one who praises the devatas, he. That is samshita. That is samshita. That is the meaning of samshita here. Yajne Veda mantrehi krita devata sutihi. Shamsanam iti namna jnayate. Tata etadashim sutim karoti saha samshita. The one who praises the devata in the yajna karma is called samshita. Yada samshita etadashim sutim karoti tada vidyamanaha advaryu. Who is advaryu? Advaryu referring to the priest of the Yajurveda. I think so. O ata modai vaha ityadibihi swavachanaihi samshitaram protsahayati. The one who praises a devata, he encourages the another priest, Advaryu. Etadasham protsahanam is called anugaraha or pratigaraha. Iti namna jnayate. Ayam sarvaha yajna, all these are yajna vidhi. Asmin vidau advaryuna kritatsya protsahanasya nirdeshartam, to indicate, to mention that the utsaha, the praise which is done by Advaryuna kritasya, yada anugranati pratigranati ityadi rupam prayujyate, tada tatra yena ado shamsanam kritam, by whom the Veda mantras are chanted to praise the devata. That person, yasya idanim protsahanam kriyate ityukte, that is the meaning. Tasya prakrita sutrena sampradana sanya bhavati. Hotre pratigranati, hotre anugranati. Hotre is hota, hotra shabda. So Rigvedasya, I think Rigvedic Pandits are called Hotru, Advaryu, Brahma, and one more is there. Atharvana Veda is Brahma. Hotru, Potru, Advaryu. So Hotru iti pratipadikam adu shamsati. Tataha Advaryu otaram prati protsahanaya vachamsi brute iti sarvaha ashaya vartate. Hotru first he praises the devata, ado shamsati. Then following, then Advaryu otaram prati protsahanaya vachamsi brute, to encourage him, Advaryu, to encourage Hota, Advaryu, vachamsi brute, he tells the words. I think that is what in the table also is given. You can see.
Table Advaryu is chief priest.
Yeah, but Advaryu is a technical name also. It is referring to, the names of the priest.
Yajurveda karma karta.
Yajurveda, that in Yajna, there will be 4 priests representing each Veda. Hotru is one, Advaryu, Udgatru Okay, Udgatru and Brahma. Otru referring to Rigveda. Advaryu Yajurveda. Udgatru Samaveda and Brahma is Atharva Veda. So the four people are there, right? So here, Hotru referring to Rigveda. So an example, Hotre Anugranati. A priest called Hotru. Hotre in what vibhakti? Chaturthi. It means there must be someone, Advaryu. Advaryu, Hotre, Anugranati, Pratigranati. Why? Because the Hota, first he done the Devata Stuti very well. So the Hota is the Purvakarta. He chants the Vedic mantra very nicely. He does the Devata Shamsaram. So therefore, Advaryu, Hotre, Pratigranati. A priest called Hotru recites a mantra called Shastra. After he completes Shastra, the chief priest, that is the Yajurveda priest, Advaryu, encourages him saying, "Oh, Atamodaiva, I'm certainly happy at your recitation." This is called Pratigara Mantraha. When one has chanted something and another encourages or appreciates a person, Purvasya Karta. So Purvasya Karta Sampradana Sanya Syat. The person who chanted earlier is assigned to Sampradana Sanya. So Udarane Hota Pratamam Shamsati. Pratamam Devata Yaha Shamsaram Karoti. Tam Anyaha Protsahayati. Advaryu Tam Protsahayati, encourages. The agent of the first action is Shamsanam, and the agent is Ota. That will take Sampradana Sanya. Right? I think the table also it's clear. So Advaryuna Kritatsya Protsahanasya Nirdeshatum Yada Pratigranati Anugranati Ityadika Rupam Prayujate. Ado Shamsanam Kritam. Yena Ado Shamsanam Kritam Tasya. Yena Kena Utruna. Ado Shamsana Kriyam Kritam. He does the Devata Shamsanam first. Chanted the mantra. Devatayaha Shamsanam. Devata Shamsanam means chanted the Vedic mantra properly. Chanted nicely. Tam, that Advaryu Hotre Pratignati, encourages. Protsahayati. That is the meaning. So Hotra iti Pradipadikam Ado Shamsati. Tataha Advaryu Hotaram Prati. Protsahanaya Vachamsi Brute. Purvasya Karta. Ityasya Purva Sutrat Anuvrittihi. Okay. So Pratyang Vyam Shvaha Purvasya Karta, from that sutra, Purvasya Karta Padadvayam Anuvartate. Purvasya Ityasya Artaha Purva Kriyayaha Pratama Kriyayaha iti. So Yajnavidu Hotra Krita Sutihi. That is the Purva Kriya. The Devata Sutihi Purva Kriya. Asya Kriyayaha Pratikriya Rupena, as a reaction to that. Anantaram Advaryu Samshitaram, that is Hotaram, Yata Protsahayati, that is Parakriya Dvitiya Kriya. So Purvasya Karta, therefore gets a Sanya Sampradana. Etabhyam Anugranati Pratigranati. Ityetayoho Prayogaha Dvitiyayaha Kriya Sandarbena Bhavati. So Advaryu does. Tatacha Asmin Prayoge Pratamayaha Kriyayaha Yaga Karta, the first action, the doer of the first action, who does the Shamsaram of the Devatas, who chanted the mantras, Tasya Sampradana Sanya Bhavati. Anena Prakarane, Hotra Stutau Kritayam, Devata Stutau Kritayam Satyam, Pratisaptamai, this is. Hotra Stutau Kritayam, Tasya Protsahanartam, in order to encourage him, Advaryu Hotre Pratigranati, say some good words. That is the meaning. Purvasya Karta iti Kashika Patate Anu Purvasya Pratipurvasya cha Grunatehe Karakam Purvasya Kriyaya Kartru Bhutam Sampradana Sanyam Bhavati. Hota Pratamam Shamsati Tam Anyaha Advaryu Protsahayati. Anugaraha Pratigaraha iti hi Shamsituhu Protsahane Vartate. Okay, I think it's clear. Then Siddhanta Kaumudi. Abhyam Granatehe Karakam Purva Vyaparasya. Purva Vyapara, Purva action, Purva Kriyayaha. Kartrubhutam Ukta Sanyam Syat. Okay, then the next one. All these are very specific. Then comes Karanam. Karanam we will see later. Now from this is going to be over. Okay, you can read Parutiji. Shlokam avalambya kalasya sadhovacha vidyadikam kimartamiti likata.
Vidya vivadaya
Dhanam madaya.
Vidya vivadaya dhanam madaya kalasya shakti parapīdanaya sadhostu sarvam viparitamētad jnanaya dhanaya ca rakshanaya. So, kalasya vidya vivadaya.
All these are Chaturthi. Chi Drisha Chaturthi. Chaturthi we saw all these are Chaturthi Bhakti. Sampradaya. Huh? Yeah. Yes, you said. Tadartya Chaturthi. Tadartya Chaturthi, it is where it is not here, no? It is in 2-3 section.
Yeah.
Tadartya. Therefore, what type of Upapada Bhakti is that? It's Upapada Bhakti, yes or no? Tadartya. What type of Upapada Bhakti? Padantarat, Pariganita Shabdat, or Artha Vishesha? There is no Padantara, Anya Padam not Nasti, right? Pariganita Shabda, that also not there. Artha Vishesha. By that it is Upapada Bhakti. Okay. Tadartya Chaturthi, see the table, what it is. Yes, and I think, Yashase, Kavya Yashase, something is there, I think. Then you can see the example. Of course, you have the example Upaya Daru, Tadartya Chaturthi, that's stock Kundalaya Iranyam. And Kanya, what is it? Kanyaya, a negative example is there. Tukkama or something. What is that? Yeah. Let's see. Yashase Kavyam, that's a stock example. A poem composed for fame. Jnanam Mokshaya, Upaya Daru, Brandanaya Sthali, Tadartya Chaturthi. Therefore, what it is? The Artha Vishesha. Upapada Bhakti, it is Artha Vishesha. Okay. One more example was that Kanya somewhere. I think somewhere I have written that, not here. Tadartya Chaturthi. Okay. Somewhere comes Kanya here. Okay. Next one also is Chaturthi. Klubdhatu Sampadyamane. When Klubdhatu Kalpate. Brahma Bhuyaya Kalpate. Brahma Bhuyaya Chaturthi. Because of this. Somrtatvaya Kalpate. That also in Gita. Yamkina Vyatayantyete Purusham Purushashava Samadukka Sukam Dhiram So Murtatvaya Kalpate. So Klubdhatu use, therefore it is Somrtatvaya. Okay, fine. Coming back here. So Vidya Vivadaya Kriya Padam.
We have to supply. Vartate. Bhavati.
Yes. So Vidya Vivadaya Kasya.
Kalasya Vidya.
Kalasya. For Kala is ruffian. That's the meaning. Ruffian or a rogue. Kala. The one who is not a dharmika. You can say simple otherwise. Kala is. Kalasya. Kalasya referring to the person. Huh? Tasya.
Yeah.
This Vidya Vivadaya Bhavati. Natu Panditaya. Not Natu Panditasya. Right?
Yes.
Vidya Vivadaya Bhavati Kasya. Kalasya eva. Natu Panditasya. Natu Vidushaha. So Kala. Okay, then. So Vivadaya is Vidya Vivadaya. What is the meaning? Vidya Vivadaya Bhavati Kalasya. Translation will be Vidya is.
It's a waste for him. For Vadam.
No, translation I'm saying. Translation would be
Vidya results into argument.
argument. Vidya leads to argument for the Kala. So that is the meaning. Vidya Vivadaya Bhavati leads to argument. So therefore here Tadartya Chaturthi. Okay. Then next. Similarly,
Kalasya Dhanam Madaya Bhavati.
same all are Tadartya Chaturthi. Tadartya means Tasya Artaha Tadartaha Tadartasya Bhavaha Tadartyaha. Tadartya Chaturthi means a thing is there which is converted into another thing. Right?
Yeah.
For example, Yashase Kavyam. A poem is composed for Yashas. So Vidya is for Vivada. So Vidya Vivada. Yeah. Okay. Upaya Daru is another example, but there the Upa is the Daru is there for the purpose of making Upa. There we have Prakriti Vikriti Sambandha. When there is Prakriti Vikriti Sambandha, then Samasa can be done. Otherwise, no. Please note. The example, Yashase Kavyam, you see that the compound we have seen. Chaturthi Bala Hita Sukha Tadartha Bala Hita Sukha Rakshitahi. Upaya Daru becomes Upadaru. Chaturthi Tatpurush Samasa. Kundala Iranyam, Kundala Iranyam. Because Kundala is the Iranya is converted into Kundala. There is a Prakriti, Vikriti relationship is that then Samasa can be formed. Daru is converted into Upa. Whereas Jnana Moksha, we cannot say Jnana Moksha, we cannot, or Moksha, we cannot make like that here. Okay, when there is Prakriti Vikriti Sambandha, then Samasa can be done. Otherwise, no. Kavyam Yashase. Yashase Kavyam. Kavya Yashas we cannot say. Okay, the compound cannot be done. So here similarly, Kalasya Vidya Vivadaya Bhavati. So it's like Kavyam Yashase in that sense. The same meaning. So Vidya leads to Vivada for the Kala. Right? So therefore, here there is no Prakriti Vikriti Sambandha. Prakriti means something which is raw material is there, which is converted into a product. So there is, then only Samasa can be made. Here Samasa should not be done. We see Tadartya Chaturthi. See the example, you will, in Samasa we have seen Baligita Sukha Rakshitaihi Tadartha Sutra. Chaturthi Tadartha बलिगित सुखरक्षितैः. Stock example, you see. कुंडलाय हिरण्यम तदर्थेन काशिककर statement. तदर्थेन प्रकृति विकार अभावे समासः अयम् इष्यते. There should be prakriti vikruti. A raw material, the cost is converted into a product. Upayadaru upadaru. Kundalayaranyam. Kundalaranyam. Ihana bhavati. Randanaya stali. Cannot make. Stali is meant for cooking. Stali is not converted into something. So we cannot make compound here. Similarly, avahana. Say next one is avahanaya ulu kalam. There also. You can remember, we have seen this. Okay. Anyway, this is a side point. So here it is Tadartya Chaturthi Vivadaya. Simple example. All other things are. Please continue. Complete.
Kalasya dhanam madaya bhavati.
Hmm.
And then kalasya shaktihi pīdanāya parapīdanāya bhavati. Sadhoho vidya jnānāya bhavati. Sadhoho dhanam dānāya bhavati. Sadhoho shaktihi rakshanāya bhavati.
Okay. We cannot make here and make it into a Shashti Tat Purusha Samasa, Vidya and Vivada. But Vivada Vidya or something like that can be that, but compound will be Vivadasya Vidya, something Shashti Tat Purusha will be the compound, but not Chaturthi. That's what in Samasa it is given. Prakriti Vikriti Bhave, then it will happen. Otherwise, no. Stock example also very clearly given. Prakriti Vikriti. Here there is no such thing. So here we can say that is the purpose for which an action is done. Tadartya Chaturthi. So Sadhoho Vidya is for Sadhoho Vidya Kimartam Asti. Kimartam, that is a question we ask. What is the purpose? What is the use? Sadhoho Vidya Kimartam
Jnānāya bhavati.
Jnānāya. Sadhoho Vidya Jnānāya Bhavati. Okay. Therefore Tadartya. So Jnanarte Bhavati Vidya. For Jnanam, the purpose for which the action, the knowledge, the action of gaining knowledge is taken up. Tadartya Chaturthi. Next one. Ganesh, you can try. Shlokayoho sahapadasya prayogaha vartate sahapadane shlokastapadahi vakyane likata. Okay.
विवेकः सह सम्पत्त्या विनयो विद्यया सह प्रभुत्वं प्रश्रयोपेतं जिह्वमेतन्महात्मनाम्.
Chinna, no?
Sorry.
No.
Chinnametan Mahatmanam. So Chinna sign. Sign of a Mahatma. So
Next line also is there.
Hiyate himatistat hinai sahasamagat
Samagamat.
samagamat samaishcha samatameti vishishtaischa vishishtatam.
What is the footnote? Svashitana Ratna Bandhagara. Okay.
The source is given.
Oh, source is given. Okay.
So here Saha is used. The sutra is Sahayukte Pradhane.
Apradhane. Yeah. Yes, it's correct.
Sahayukte
Yeah,
Apradhane.
it's correct only. Okay. You're
2319.
yeah.
So when Saha is used, it results in Sampatya. Chaturthi. So Viveka Saha Sampatya. So Viveka along with Dhanam, that Sampatti. And Vinaya along with Vidya, Saha. So we can say Hinaihi Saha Samagatat, or say Yaha Hinaihi Saha Samagatat, Tasya Madihi Iyate. He who has that is the next one.
So Viveka Sampatya, okay, fine.
Then the
Vive-
Prabhutvam Prashrayopeta.
So Mahat is connecting. Chinnam Mahatmanam etat. This is a sign of great people. Vivekaha Sampatya Saha etat. That is the Chinnam of the Mahatma. Okay. Then
So
Prabhutvam.
Vinaya Vidya Saha etat Mahatman's Chinnam. That is Chinnam. Vinaya along with Vidya. And Prabhutvam Prashraya with humility. So Prabhutvam. So what is it? Prashrayo Peta Nena Saha. Prabhutvam Prashrayo Peta Nena Saha Mahatmyam Chinnam.
What did you say? Prashraya is?
Prashraya is humility.
Humility. So
King.
Prabhutvam is, I think, the kingship or the authority.
Authority along with humility or Vinaya.
They go, yes, Vinaya.
That also is Vinaya. There also. So Prashraya Upeta. So Prashraya Upeta. I think then if you make it Chaturthi, it becomes Prashraya Upeta Nena.
Not Chaturthi. Why
Sorry. When we say Vinaya Vidyaya Saha.
Prabhutvam Prashrayopetam Prashrayena Upetam Prashrayopetam. Tritiya Tatpurusha.
Prashrayopetam.
Shrayopetam Chinnam Mahatmanam. Tritiya it is. Tritiya Tatpurusha. If you say Prashrayena Saha Prashrayena Saha. Shlokayoho Sahapadasya Prayogavate Sahapadayana. Okay, here this is not, there is no Saha, therefore it is not required. But anyway, where Saha is, that alone he has to say Sahapadayana Shlokastapadegi. But anyway, that Saha only it occurs
Saha
in
cannot be
1,
applied
2,
here, Prabhutvam.
Yeah, 3 and 4th one also. Saha Sama is that fine. But here also we can discuss. Chinnam etat Mahatmanam Kim Chinnam Prashrayopetam Prabhutvam. That is the power which is along with humility. So Prashrayena Upetam Prashrayopetam. Tritiya Tatpurusha. Okay, next is Hiyate.
Hiyate is Hinaihi Saha Samagama. Here it is Saha is used in the sense of Sahavasa.
Saha?
In the sense of Sahavasa, I think it is used.
Sahavasa.
He who.
Hiyate Matihitata Hinaihi Saha Samagamat. Samagamat is association.
Association with.
Hina means Hina people.
Hina people. So,
yeah.
So Saha, that means Sahavasa. He who.
Yes, Sahavasa. Yes,
associates with.
Yeah, right. Yes.
That's why I said Sahavasa. So Hinai Saha, Yaha Hinai Saha Samagamat, Tasya Matihi Hiyate.
Yes, that's correct. So Hinai Saha Samagamat, Matihi Hiyate Tasya. Okay. Then.
So Yaha
last
Samaihi Saha Samagamat, Samatameti Bhavati.
Vishishtaihi
Samaihi means Samatva, he who has Samatvam. So Yaha Samaihi Saha Samagamat Samata Bhavati. Saha Samata Bhavati.
Samatam eti. Vishishtatam Samaihi Vishishtaihi Visishtatam. What does it mean?
Or we can say Yaha Vishishtaihi Saha Samagasar Vishishtaha Bhavati. So there are 3.
4th one is Samaihi Saha Samagamat Samatam eti is there. Last one is Vishishtaihi Saha Samagamat Vishishtatam
eti. Yes.
So
last one is Vishishtaihi Saha Samagamat Visishtatam Samatam Visishtatam eti, right?
Yes.
Then Samaihi is, I think
Samaihi.
Samaihi, it is used in the sense of Saha. Just I'm thinking, because we saw Sama, Sakam, all
And-
these.
But they are avyayas. The samaihi, how vibhakti we can add.
Uh,
for,
yes,
I took
that's
it
right.
as he who has samatvam is samaha.
Equivalent, otherwise.
Yeah,
Samaihi.
maybe, yeah. I just thought, as you said, it is not here that sense. I mean, not Samaihi is Samehi is Tritiya Bhakti of Sama Shabda. Yes. So it is not in the sense of Saha. So we have Tritiya Bhakti, right? The Saha,
That
list of words are given.
upapada are there.
Sakam,
Sakam,
Saha, Sama,
Sardham.
Sardam, all those are Tritiya. The Sama word also is there, I think.
Yeah, it's
The,
there.
what's the number in the table? Saha
Sahayuk.
Yuktya Pradhane, that sutra only.
2319, 53.
No, in the table, what is the number? 53, yes.
53. Okay.
Yes. I think there Samam only is given, no? Sakam, Sardam, Samam only, not Samaihi. Okay, Samam is Avyaya. But here Samaihi is used, therefore it is not that Saha. So here Samaihi qualifies Vishishtaihi Samaihi. Okay, sorry, I just thought that Sama is that it is only Samam. It cannot be Samaihi.
I took it as Chaturthi Vibhakti of Samaha. Samaha means he who has samatvam.
Chaturthi, not Tritiya,
They
right?
who have samatvam. Chaturthi Vibhakti Samaihi.
Chaturthi, not Tritiya. Samaihi Tritiya, right?
Samaihi
Yeah.
Saha.
Not Saha.
Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
Become Tritiya.
Ramaihi, Visishtaihi, Samaihi. Right?
Yes.
So what is the sentence? That is Vishishtaihi Saha Samagamat. Samaihi Vishishtaihi Samagamat Vishishtatam Samatam Eti. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
That is the Samatam Eti. De Eti Gachati. Samatam Eti, they gain equality. So Hinaihi Saha Samagamat Matihi Iyate. Vishishtaihi Saha Samagamat Samaihi Samagamat Vishishtatam Eti. Right?
Yes.
Visishtatam is Dvitiya Bhakti. Samatam Visishtatam Eti. So previous sentence Saha Samagamat can be taken here. Inegi Saha Samagamat Matihi Iyate. Visishtaihi Samaihi Visishtaihi Samagamat. Samatam Visishtatam. Here also we can take two things. Samaihi Samagamat Samatam Eti. Vishishtaihi Samagamat Visishtatam Eti. Right?
Yeah.
Can be made into two also.
Yes.
So, therefore, we can Samaihi Samatam Eti. Visishtaihi Visishtatam Eti. That's how it should be. Saha Samagamat can be understood for. So it is, therefore, this last quarter can be divided into two sentences. With some association with the Sama, then Samatam Eti. Association with Visishtatam Eti. The two things are there. Okay. Samaihi means I thought that Sama, whether it could be an Avyaya, but it is not. Okay. Last one. Kameshwariji can read. Shloka vina padasya prayoga varta vina padena shlokastha padahi vakyani likata. Vina will govern by what sutra?
Pritag vina nana bistrutiya anyatarasya.
Anyatarasya. It is in the book, the 2-3 section. Right? Nana Pratak Vina. What's the number?
2332.
Yes. 2332. Tritiya Anyatarasya. Dvitiya also can come. Panchami also can come, right?
Panchami.
Okay. Let's continue.
Yata talam vina ragah. Yata talam vina ragah. यथा मानं विना नृपः यथा मदं विना हस्ति तथा ज्ञानं विना यतिः यथा तालं विना रागः न शोभते.
Okay, good.
That beating talam vina ragah na shobhate, geetam na shobhate, gaanam na shobhate. Yata manam vina nripah vina manasya na shobhate.
Okay.
Yata madam vina hasti elephant. Hasti madam vina, madam kopah vina.
So that is a special thing for elephant.
For
it is
an
not
elephant.
that.
Na shobhate. Then jnanam vina yatihi. Jnanihi jnanam vina na shobhate.
Jnanihi, the word is there.
Yatihi.
Jnani only is there, not Jnanihi, Yatihi.
Jnani.
Jnanihi, the word is not there in Sanskritam. Jnanavan is there, and Jnani is there. Jnanin Shabda. Jnanihi not there. Okay. So talam vina ragaha na shobhate. Manam vina or manat vina nirpaha na shobhate. You use Shashti. Shashti will not come anywhere. Dvitiya, Tritiya or Panchami. Madam vina asti na shobhate. Trimali jnanam vina yatihi. Simple one. Okay, with this, it is done. Okay, then we will do Vibhakti Valadi. Before that, it's Vyakaranam here. I think this we have to do. अंतरा के योग में कौन सी विभक्ति प्रयुक्त होगी?
Tritiya.
Yes, one sutram is there, right? Dvitiya, Tritiya, Antara.
Antarena.
Dvitiya, Tritiya. It is Dvitiya, no? Antarantarena yukte, please see. Which is in 2-3 section. 2-3-4. Antara, Antarena yukte. Antara shabda, Antarena, then it will go on 2-3. 2-3-4. Is there, no?
Yes.
Please see this. So, not Tritiya, it is Dvitiya. Karmani Dvitiya, Dvitiya coming as Anurti. In the table, you can check, Antaram, Antarena will be there. We will see in the later one, detail, but now you can see the stock example in the website 2-3-4. Otherwise, you have to check the table. Antara, Antarena Yukte, just a stock example. And without, that's the meaning. Antarena Shabdatu Tacha Vinatam Cha Antara Tvam Mamcha Kamandalahu. Antare Tvam Cha Mamcha Kamandalahu. Okay. So there will go on Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Antarena means?
Without, same.
No, Antarena is Tritiya. Antarena.
No, Antarena, the word is Tritiya, yes.
So it governs Tritiya also.
Governs? Governs Tritiya. Why?
No, not Tritiya. Kashika has given Dvitiya Swaryate, not Tritiya.
It is only Dvitiya only. That's why given Tritiya means it must be given, and Tritiya it is not, I think so. Tritiya not there.
The word Antarena looks like Tritiya.
Antarena looks like
Antarena, okay, that is Abhiya.
Like Ramena.
It looks, that is Vibhakti Pratirupaka, it is Abhyaya. Antarena. There are some Abhyas which has the certain Vibhakti form. But doesn't mean it is that. Antarena is Even if antarena, if you take it as a tritiya vibhakti, that's okay, but it will govern Dvitiya.
Dvitiya.
So antara is in the Kashika Visa Vina, that meaning also, right? It has a meaning of antara, meaning between. Antarena is Vina. That's what Kashika says. Antarena is a meaning of without. And the example what we read, antara tvam mamcha tvam, that is antara is between mamcha. Antarena shabdaha tu vinartam cha, that is vinarte. Antara tvam is a, that is also is antara means between. Twamcha mamcha kamandalu, between you and me, kamandalu is there. Then antarena is example here. Antarena purushakaram na kinchit labhyate, without any human effort, purushakara na kinchit, nothing is can be gained. Here antarena is vina. Here antara is in between. That to mean you can check the table also later. Okay. So now the question is, antara ke yog mein kaun si vibhakti rikt hogi? Dvitiya only. Right? By the sutra 2, 3, 4. Antara antarena yukte. Antara is in between. Antarena is without. Okay. Japam anu pravarshata. मैं जप का मैं द्वितीय का विधान किस सूत्र से हुआ? दिस स्टॉक एग्जांपल आल्सो. जपम प्रावर anu is karma pravachaniya here. Oh, I myself have said the answer. Okay. Because it is not upasarga. Therefore, karma pravachaniya yukte
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. You can check the table. I don't know. This example is there somewhere. We have seen. Table, it must be there.
Japam manu pravarshate.
Which number?
21.
21. Let me take. Yes. Japam anu pravarshate. Rain followed the japa. In association with certain prepositions, second case is this is karma pravachaniya. Anu, ati, abhi. The word preposition is used anyway, but it is not upasarga. Karma pravachaniya. Karma pravachaniya yukte dvitiya. Okay. Then अत्यंत संयोग में कालवाचक शब्द से कौन सी विभक्ति आती है? विभक्ति स्त्रीलिंग, अदरवाइज इन इंडिया आल्सो आती है, अदरवाइज आता है.
Yeah.
राइट. अत्यंत द्वितीय. काला दुनोह अत्यंत संयोग द्वितीय, इट मस्ट बी. ओके. देन मासम अधीते में मास में द्वितीय व्यक्ति का विधान किस सूत्र से हुआ है? मासम अधीते. अपवर्गे is not mentioned. Therefore, by what sutra? It's good. That's what is just now we said now. This is sutra. Kala dunaho atyanta sanyogi. Sutra number 2, 3. The beginning itself is there. 2, 3, 5. Next sutra. Antara antarena yukte. Kala duna atyanta. There is continuity of the action for the certain period of time or space. मासस्य द्विहि अधीते में मास में द्वितीया नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि व्हाट द रीजन? मासस्य द्विहि अधीते. by masam द्विहि अधीते. द्विहि may be something the but not masadvayam or masasya द्विहि. Masam द्विहि अधीते. Dvihi is of the word dvihi comes. You have to check. Dvihi means maybe referring to what he studies. He studies Masasya Dvihi, studies two anuvaka, suppose. something like that we have to take. Masasya dvihi, he studies 2. Masasya, why Masasya? Why not Masam? Why Dvitiya Bhakti has not come?
अत्यंत संयोग अर्थ नहीं है that.
Yes, Atyanta Sayog, Artha nahi hai isliye. Not because of. If it is Apavarga is there, then Tritiya will be there. That is ruled out. Last one. Masa Ekavachanam, it's not, that is not the reason. Kalavachaka, that is also not reason. So Yajnadattaha Dvihi Adite, he studies 2. Masasya. So since Atyanta Sanyoga is not there, therefore Shashti Sheshe, that is Shashti Bhakti. That is the meaning of Shesha. Ukta Tanyaha. Whatever is said other than this, sir, we can always use Shashti Bhakti. When it is said specifically, use that. Otherwise, Shashti Bhakti. Okay. Atyanta Sayyog mein Apavarga, Pala Prapti. इसका अपवर्ग द्योत्य होने पर सी विभक्ति आती है. कौन सी विभक्ति आती है? सॉरी, तृतीय. by सूत्र अपवर्ग तृतीय 2 3 6. नेक्स्ट सूत्र. क्रिया सिद्धि में प्रकृष्टोपकारक कारक कौन है? Most useful karaka in the accomplishment of the action. What is that? The word upakar. Huh? Sorry. Yeah. Karana. That is the meaning in fact given. Prakrishtopakarakam karanam. The next sutra is sadakatamam karanam, right? That's the next sutra. What is the sutra number?
1442.
So 1442. Sadakatamam karanam. Prakrishta upakarakam. The word itself is used. Kriya siddho. Yat prakrishtoopakarakam vivakshitam. Tat sadakatamam. The same thing, technical word is using. That which is most useful in accomplishing an action. Ramena, Banena, Ato Bali, Ato, okay, Bali, what is Bali? Ramen में तृतीया किस कारण से हुई है? What कारक? Bana is karana.
कर्तृकरणयोः तृतीया.
Yes, that is the sutra. Therefore, anukta karta. Anukte kartre, I think, u. कर्तृकरणयोः तृतीया. ओके. रामेन भानेन हतो बाली में करण क्या है? प्रकृष्टोपकारकम किम? Bana is the answer. That is the karana. गोत्रेण गार्ग्यः. गोत्र में तृतीया व्यक्ति का विधान किस सूत्र से किया गया है? We know this. Huh? No. It is prakrityadibhyah upasankyanam. It's a Vartika we have seen. In fact, the very word gotra is there. Prakriti, gotra, then nama, all those words are there in the preceding Ganapata. Prakrityadibhyah upasankyanam. It's a Vartika, important Vartika. Prakriti, Praya, Gotra, Sama, Vishama, Vidrona, Panchaka, Sahasra. Nama also is there. It's not here. It's okay. All these are Prakrityadibhyah upasankyan. Gotra, by Gotra is Gargyaha. I think this is given in the table also. Do you know the number?
39.
Yeah, 39.
Seventh
Many
example.
examples. 39, yes. Many examples, I think, must have been there.
Seventh example.
Seventh, okay. Gotrena Gargyaha, Prakritya Darshaniyaha, Vishamena Gayati, all. Prakritya Charuhu, Namna Stikshnaha, an attribute or the manner of doing an action or a measure which characterizes noun governs Tritiya. तो प्रकृत्यादिभ्यः उपसंख्यानम्। अक्षान दीव्यति, दिस वी नो। में अक्ष की कर्म संज्ञा किस सूत्र से हुई है? व्हाट इज द सूत्र?
दिवक्कर्मच
यस, दिवक्कर्म च। अन्ना अनुवाकः अनुवाको अधीतः। यहाँ यहाँ अहन में किस सूत्र से तृतीया?
पवर्गे
हाँ?
अवर्ग
पवर्गे तृतीय
अपवर्गे तृतीया। यस, यस, completed the study of the anuvaka during the anna by a day. मासम अधीतः ना यातः। यहाँ मास में तृतीया नहीं लगी, क्योंकि वही
continuities.
अत्यंत is there,
अत्यंत
but
संयोगा is there.
why then तृतीया has not come? That's the question. Because
वाक्य अतीत काले में
no, apavarga not there, right? Apavarga only तृतीया. मासेन अधीतः, the previous one we saw, अन्ना अनुवाकः अधीतः. Masen aditaha means he has completed the study in 1 month. Masam aditaha na ayataha, but he has not ayataha. Masam aditaha not completed. Masam aditaha studies for a month, but na ayataha. Ya means to go. Ayataha means not completed. Therefore, apavarga ज्योतिता नहीं होता वाक्य में, इसलिए तृतीया नहीं होती। सह अर्थ वाले शब्दों के योग में अप्रधान में कौन सी विभक्ति लगेगी?
तृतीया।
तृतीया
सूत्र सहयुक्ते
सहयुक्ते अप्रधाने
नंबर 2 3 Ganesh, what is the number?
2 3 19.
Yeah, you read 2 3 19. Okay, then this we did. Vibhakti exercise is easy, but you have to tell the sutra what karaka is that. Ramaha palam karati iti atra palam karma padam. By what sutra? By what sutra? Kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. And Ramaha is Swatantraha karta kartrikarakam. But karta is assigned pratama vibhakti by the sutra.
स्वतंत्र करता
No, Swatantra karta is kartrikaraka. Then why we don't assign tritiya, I mean vibhakti by kartrikarana use tritiya? It's a karta, right? Pratipadika talinga parimana vachana matre pratama. By that we saw, right?
Yes.
In other words, karta is abhigitaha. Anabhigita karta only kartrikarana use tritiya. Here karta is abhigitaha. Therefore, pratama vibhakti is assigned to Pratipadika talinga. Not only karta, anything, Pratama abhigitaha will be pratama vibhakti. Then Pratipadika just gives the meaning of the Pratipadika. What is Pratipadika? Niyata upastikaha Pratipadika. Niyamena, whatever the meaning of the word is, the word has got repa plus a plus makara plus a. That in this order the letters are arranged, it conveys that padam referring to a padartha. The padam gives a meaning of the very padartha. So Pratipadika artha. And of course, other words, things are the linga parimana vachana matre pratama. That we saw or we will see with the website later, little more elaborately. So pratama vibhakti, we saw in the Ashtadi Pravesha. Kartrarte prijamanaha vibhaktihi. Or in think pratyaya, krit pratyaya, by that what is denoted? That is pratama, right? Okay. So therefore Ramaha pratama. Etasmin vaki ekam karma asti. Okay. Ramaha adhyapakam prashnam pruchati. एतस्मिन् वाक्ये अध्यापकम् इति प्रश्नमिति कर्मपदम्. Then what, by what sutra both getting karma? Which is pradhana karma, which is gauna karma?
Prashnam is pradhana karma. Adhyapakam is gauna.
Gauna karma. Both karma, both are karma. Both are assigned Dvitiya. By sutra? By which sutra?
Which dhatu?
Therefore, what's
Dvikarma.
Dvikarmaka dhatu. What sutra?
Akatitam.
Yeah, what is that? It's
Akatitam.
correct one. Akatitam cha. Remember.
Atita.
Akatitam cha. By that, Dvitiya vibhakti. By that, karmakaraka. And Dvitiya vibhakti, karmakaraka. And it is anabhigita karmani by that Dvitiya. Akatitam cha what sutram? 1451. By that
51.
karma sanya. Karmani Dvitiya by that sutra, Dvitiya vibhakti. And we know this is Dvikarmaka dhatu, one of the 12 dhatus, first 12.
Okay.
What will happen in Karmani? Pradhanasya, Gaunasya Pratama, Pradhanasya Dvitiya, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Evam atra karma padadvayam asti. Ataha etad vikarmakam vakyam. Okay. See, as I told, exercise must be easy. But sutra you need to remember. Samskrite vyavaharikataya. Datavaha etadartakaha अन्ये datavaha cha. Vikarmakaha iti prasiddhaha. Te cha vadati, trichati, prarthayati, nayati. Okay, why these four? There are many other. Vyavaharikataya. Okay, there's given footnote. Dugyaj pach dand ityadeha 16. Okay, Shodasha dataha vikarmakaha kintu uparinidishtaha chatvara dataha eve vyavahare bahuda upayujyante. Anyesham prayupayogha viralaha, very rare. Therefore, he gives only 4 dhatus, but we have seen all the dhatus. Okay. Avarane dattanam shabdanam sahayena riktani stalani uchitaki rupaki purayata. Karmakaraha dash dhanikaha dash vastusthitihi vadati. So, karmakaraha dhanikam vastusthitiim vadati. So, vadadhatu, it is there. Where it is there in Vikarmaka? Is it there in Vikarmaka dhatu? Vad. Yes.
Yes.
Not only
Prach.
those dhatus. Yeah.
Prach.
Yes.
Pash dhatu, all this can be that it will bring the paryaya artha also. So therefore, karma karaha tells to whom does it tell, what does it tell? Kim vadati and kam vadati. Dhanikam vadati, vastu chutim vadati, which is pradhana karma. Pradhana karma vastu sthiti. Dhanika is apradhana. By akatitam cha, both this is. So all these are akatitam cha. You can remember akatitam cha, then Dvitiya Vibhakti by karmani, anabhigite karmani Dvitiya. Okay, each one of you can read. Pantaha dash apanikaha dash margam prachati. Simple. Ganeshji.
Prantaha apanikam margam
Prachati.
pruchati.
Parvatiji.
Bhikshukaha grihini annam prarthayate.
Grihim prarthayate. Then Ramaji.
Karmakaraha sammajanim prakonayati.
Okay, you can tell also which is pradhana karma here. First one.
Margam is
Margam. Apanika is Gauna.
Gauna.
So apanika can be expressed in another karaka also. What is that possibility? Ganeshi.
Apanika kena apanika.
No. Pantaha, traveler, asks for the marga, the path. Pantaha margam prachati. From whom does he ask? Right?
Yeah.
Therefore, apanikam, apanikat also.
Apanikat, Panchami.
That is why akatitam cha. What is akatitam? Avivakshitam. When a particular karaka that you don't want to assign, then we can use Vitiya. That is karma. You can take karma sanya. But apanikat you can say. Similarly, second one, Parvatiji.
Shukaha grihani annam. Annam is the pradhana karma. Grihinyaha.
Yes,
Panchami
here also Panchami.
Panchami.
Next one, Ramaji, what is there?
Samarjani.
Prakoshtam Nayati. Then
Samarjani only, Dvitiya.
no other karaka it is possible. That is why he has given this is Akatitam cha. What other karaka is possible? So it is Nayati. It brings. What does it bring? Sammarjani is okay. First, let us see which is Pradhana karma. Which is Pradhana?
Samarjani
is Pradhana.
Sammarjani is Pradhana karma. Then Prakoshta is Gauna karma. So Gauna karma can be expressed in other karaka. Avivakshitam, it is karma.
Okay. Prakoshte Nayati.
Yes. If it, I don't know what you said. This Prakoshta is, if you said it's a Pradhana, then we get stuck there.
No.
So Samarjani is Pradhana karma. Samarjani only. We don't have choice for assigning any other vibhakti. Whereas Prakoshta can be assigned Saptami. We have seen some example there also. That the Karmaka table you see. Okay, next one, Kameshwariji. Balika dash Vidyalaya dash Lekani Nayati. They're all the same.
Vidyalaya Gauna karma, Lekani Pradhana karma.
Okay.
So one way is Balika Vidyalayam Lekanim Nayati.
Or
Vidyalaye.
yes, Saptami.
Balika Vidyalaye Lekanim Nayati.
Yes. Next one, Sangamitraji. You try. Acharyaha dash Chatraha dash Gita Bodhayati.
Acharyaha.
You can take it as Srilinga or Pullinga, whatever it is, no problem. Chatraha becomes Chatran, karma.
Gita Bodhayati.
Gitam Bodhayati. Now, which is Pradhana karma?
Gitam Bodhayati.
Gitam Bodhayati. Then Apradhana is, Gauna is Chatra. Gauna can take Akatitam is karma. If it is Katitam Vivakshitam, then what karaka?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Chatrebhyaha. Acharyaha Chatrebhyaha. Gitam. Gita is goes to the karma goes to whom? Chatra. Right? Karmana yam avipraiti. Sa sampradhanam. By that Chatra can Karaka Drishtya, Karaka Akatitam Vivakshitam. So you want to express through other Karaka, then it could be Chaturthi. Sampradhane Vivakshitam. Vivakshite sati. Chatrebhyaha. Akatitam. Sampradhane avivakshitam. Chet. Then karma. Sanya, karma sanyakam bhavati. Therefore, Dvitiya. Right?
Yes.
Same thing. Ganeshi. Pitamahi dash Pautraha dash Kataha Katayati.
Pitamahi Pautran Kataha Katayati.
Kataha only.
Kataha.
Srilinga.
Ramavati.
Which is, okay, Pradhana and Gauna.
Pradhana here is Katha and Pautraha becomes Gauna.
So, Akatitam karma, and if it is
so
Vivakshitam,
Pautra
then
Bihi we can say maybe.
no.
Tritiya.
Cannot take Tritiya, no? Kataha Bodhayati.
Chaturthi.
पौत्रेभ्यः
Pautrebhyah, to the grandsons. Right? So Gauna karma is Pautra. So Pautran or Pautrebhyah, choice is there. Okay. Not Pautrebhi. Where is Pautra Bihi? Bihi is Tritiya, no?
पौत्रेभ्यः
Should be Chaturthi.
Pautrebhyah only.
Pautrebhyah.
So Tritiya cannot be.
Or Shashti.
Pradhana karma only Dvitiya. Gauna karma only can have choice. What karaka we can say, that we have to think. Sometimes apadana, sometimes adhikarana, sometimes sampradana, what will fit, you have to see. Next one, Parvatiji.
प्रजाः महाराजं क्लेशान् निवेदयन्ति. So क्लेशाः is the प्रधान कर्म. So प्रजाः महाराजाय
Yes.
क्लेशान् निवेदयन्ति.
Yes. Rajan Shabda is different.
Maharaja is a
this-
samastapada. So
That's like Rama Shabda only.
Yeah.
Because Nakara goes away, right? Nalopa Pratipadikanta.
Adhikam.
We have
Yes.
seen.
Yeah.
So it becomes Akaranta Shabda. Okay. The next
Can
one.
we use
Huh?
Shashti
Where?
for Maharaja?
No. Cannot be used.
Maharajasya Klesh.
It is not the difficulty of the Maharaja. Right? The difficulties are told, informed Maharaja. So Shashti cannot be there, no?
Okay, okay.
Otherwise meaning will change. Okay. Shashti Sheshe can be used. Shashti Sheshe when others are not possible, then Shashti. When others are possible, then we cannot use Shashti there. Other than that,
Basically, the meaning may change. I understood my mistake.
yeah. But as you said, Maharajasya, that also may be proper, but better not to use, because Shashti Shesha is, Shesha Shashti can be used anywhere. We have seen some example of Devadattasya also we saw, but we have to be careful using Shashti. That doesn't convey the other meaning. The Shashti Shesha is such a sutra that covers everything. No, if you don't want to express other karaka, Shashti Vibhakti can be used. But if you use the meaning, some will change. That we have to be careful. Okay. Anyway, here you can use Maharaja. Yeah, that is better. That's proper also. Next one. Okay. Yeah. Next one who? Kameshwari. I think you. Aparadi.
Aparadi, Arakshaka, Shama. Shama is Pradhana Karma, Arakshaka, Gauna Karma. Normal sentence Aparadi, Arakshakam, Shamam, Prarthayate.
Ask Shama from the Arakshaka.
Arakshakat, Shamam, Prarthayate.
Arakshakat. Then next one. Oh, next one. Ramaji, yeah?
Sangamitra.
Yep.
Ramaji also has noted. Okay. Next Sangamitra next. Adhyapakaha.
अध्यापकः छात्राणि प्रश्नान् पृच्छति छात्रेभ्यः प्रश्नान् पृच्छति.
Yes. Chatrana or Chatrebhyah. No, last one. Ramaji. Sah.
सः वयमस्ते मन्त्राः उपदिशन्ति
Asman.
सः अस्मान्
Mantran. Yeah.
उपदिशन्ति.
Similarly, Kleshaha also is not Srilinga. Okay. Kleshan you can say. Okay. I think the word, if it is Srilinga also, Kleshaha possible. But mantra is Pullinga only. So we took it as Klesha is Srilinga, possible. Klesha Shabda, then Tap Pratyaya, Klesha like Rama Shabda. Okay, that is because it is Visheshana, can be in other genders also. But mantra is Pullinga. So, Saha Asman,
सः अस्मान्
Mantran.
ताः उपदिशति
No, Mantran. It is Pullinga. Bhagavachan me has given.
मन्त्रान् उपदिशति चतुर्थी can come.
Yes, Chaturthi. Upadishati gives.
सः अस्मभ्यां
Not Asmabhyam.
Asmabhyaha.
अस्मभ्यं will come. No, no.
Yeah, okay.
सः
Sorry.
अस्मभ्यं
I thought
मन्त्रान् उपदिशति.
Mantran Upadishati. Yes, Asmabhyam.
Asma. Chaturthi vibhakti we have to use, Manji.
That's what she used, Bhagavachanam. Makyam me,
Oh, okay.
Abhyam now, Asmabhyam, Naha.
Okay.
Saha, Naha, or Asmabhyam. Both can be used. Okay. Next one we will see later. We'll stop here. So it's good. We can do this and find out the sutra also. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Should we continue this topic for some more time? Do it. We'll do. Okay. Maybe one class this, other class we can start the Tinganta. It is the second volume. Or you want to do the same thing for both the class, Monday as well as Friday?
We can continue, Ji. I think we can understand more properly.
Okay, both the classes, Monday as well as Friday.
Yeah.
Okay. Then this Tinganta can be.
We can do something.
We can do something.
Like
Sambhashna.
Sambhashna.
That
we left. That
Yeah.
we were reading in there.
Okay. We'll do. Then volume 2 will complete and Karaka and then do. Sambhashanam in between. So what this Vibhakti Lagari doing is Sambhashanam only. You have to use only Sanskritam. Okay, we'll see. Oh, better. Sambhashanam, you have to read some stories, some things. Or Samskrita Bharati's book is, some of the books are there. You can use them. What were we doing? Sambhashanam, remember? What was the last thing? A lot of materials are there for that.
One book we were reading.
Which book?
Second volume.
Second volume of?
Sarala Samskritam, I think. Isn't it?
Which one? Sarala Samskrita.
Sulabha Samskrita and Sarala Samskrita, both were there.
Do you have? I don't remember that book. You can, if you just send it to me, the group, I'll see. You can continue that. Or other materials are there, we'll see. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. After I go back to Chennai, we'll do it. Yes. Okay.